Hey, I wanted this to be a very quick unboxing here of the brand new Samsung Galaxy S24. Got mine about 5 days early. Not sure why, but they came early. This is the purple violet color. Oh, that is cool. Get that out there. It's gonna be really hard to see on camera. Of course, it looks kind of blue on the camera. It's kind of like a blue purple actually. That is a really cool color. I really wish camera picked that up better. Yeah, that's really nice. There we go. Let's take a quick look around here. So your volume rocker there, power button, and then the outer edge is also like a violet as well, so that's awesome. Looks like dual mics, nothing but smoothness. SIM card, USB Type-C, speaker, and of course we have 3 cameras and our flash, and of course your front-facing camera there as well as your speaker up top. Yeah, this is a really cool color. If you guys want something different, that is very cool. Alright, like I said, just very quick unboxing. Stay tuned. Channel will be doing a bunch of videos on the S24 series. As always, guys, I appreciate it. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.